Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Unong yalam jonggal yang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma hagas ngi palei ka khat pratarik unailar arjar arpuar ulaong ba ka Jingïakren Ïasuk hapdeng ka sengking atiar New Trap National Liberation Council lembat ka sarkar India bat kumjuru bat ka sarkar jela kadai banlong ka ba job khanang ba ka shongsuk shongsain kan duk wan phai biang hagane ka jela Meghalaya. Haga Jingïakren bat gelar pathai kubor u Dr. Mukul ulaong baka sarkar kadai ban simkia bha halor kane ka kamtam hadin baka seng Hnlc kalapan pau baka long ka bakloi ban wan syakami Jingïakren bat ban petru baka Jingïakren kadai ban long ka basaiso.
It has been the collective desire and intent of the people of the state to restore peace. Now, there are many ways of engaging with so-called militant outfits, with notified and banned outfits, proscribed organizations. There are many ways. Now, but the intent must be very clear. Intent must be to restore a peace which is sustainable. Okay. Now, if any exercise or modality adopted create a situation where people tend to think that, okay, by joining militancy, by floating organizations, people can ultimately get away even after committing crime, then its ramification will be different. Now, even when we embark upon this whole exercise, the comprehensive multi-pronged approach that was adopted by the then government, the intent was to restore peace which can be sustained. And therefore, we have been abundantly clear in ensuring that, okay, all those crimes committed as per records which were available with the law enforcing agencies, if there is any heinous crime committed by any of the members of the organization, then we will not have any kind of so-called writing of those cases or withdrawal of such cases in respect of heinous crimes committed, which are well defined, which were particularly meant for any instances of killing or murder. Okay. The rest we decided the government will withdraw to ensure that, okay, the honest intent of all the members who belong to these different organizations, including banned and proscribed organizations, are able to really assimilate themselves with the national mainstream and be a capable, competent contributor for the overall growth and prosperity of the community and the state and the nation as a whole. So that was how we looked at things. Now, how this whole exercise will unfold and how this whole discussion will ultimately be dribbled or somehow negotiated by them, by both the parties, rather here not both, it's a tripartite discussion, will have to be keenly watched. Because the ultimate intention must be to ensure that there is a peace restored, but which is sustainable. We have to be seeing, the modalities adopted by both Government of India and the state government. We'll have to look at how the modalities are adopted, and I'm sure they will ultimately be transparent. They will also take cognizance the sentiments of the people. The governments will always have to be sensitive to all the concerns. So therefore, even any member of the proscribed organization must commit utmost sincerity to restore peace and sustain that. That must be the first indication of their will and determination. And I have reasons to believe that all the members belonging to different proscribed organizations, be it not just one particular organization, must always, whenever they indicate any intention to engage in this kind of dialogue, the dialogue must be a well-intended dialogue to achieve the ultimate goal of restoring peace and sustaining that.